Let's get to our call of the day now. It's Albemarle. Shares moving higher after an upgrade at Bank of America. They take it off of a sell. They put it on neutral. Stock's up 3%. Joe, you own it in the Joe T. Target to 200 from 195, so not a huge bump there, but at least they take it off of the you know what list.
All right, so there's a lot to talk about here. First of all, let's understand.
You got that?
I caught it.
Thanks.
Let's understand. I passed on that real quick. Let's understand Albemarle. If you're talking about this stock, this is a way to get exposure to lithium without having to buy, let's say, the lithium ETF, the LIT ETF, which has $3 billion in it. This is how you get your pure play exposure to lithium. So there's a lot of volatility embedded in this stock. We've seen that the last several years. Now, the stock on a valuation basis is cheap. It trades at single digits. And in the most recent earnings report, you saw that Q1 EBITDA had a 40% rise, but yet the guidance for full year 2023, they cut EBITDA by 20% overall. So that led to more selling pressure in the stock. I think the return of lithium demand as EV sales begin to rise in China, which we witnessed in March. Let's understand that China is 59% overall of EVs themselves. As you begin to see that rise in demand, that's going to benefit the stock. So overall, to own this stock, you have to assume a lot of risk in the form of volatility. But there are fundamental conditions that are now coming into play: the reopening of China, the reemergence of EV sales, and the demand for lithium once again, that makes this a position that I think you could stay with.
So are you at all concerned? It's not necessarily worried, but concerned that this bounce back from China, where is it? Like, it seems like it's not having the kind of impact to this point that people were expecting on a number of different levels, whether it's travel-related stuff, as Estee Lauder told you a week or so ago, but others are commenting on the same thing.
Yeah.
And by the way, the other part of this,
answer is yes. I'm actually very concerned about that. We're not seeing the development of a trend, which is what you want to see. There seems to be friction in the path economically that the reopening is taken. And just to mention, in fact, for lithium, I cited what unfolded in March, where sales rose for EVs in China. Well, in April, lithium pricing was down significantly. Why? We don't have the statistics just yet, but the indication would be that potentially you saw a little bit of contraction in those EV sales. So without question, yes, concerning.